Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your XDC tokens from Coinbase Wallet to Binance in 2025, you're in the right place. XDC, or XinFin's digital currency, is a popular choice for blockchain enthusiasts, and moving it between wallets is straightforward once you know the steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's get started. First things first. Make sure you have XDC in your Coinbase wallet and that you've verified your Binance account. Security is key, so double-check everything to prevent any losses. Step 1. Open your Coinbase wallet app or website and log in securely. Navigate to your XDC holdings. You should see a dashboard with your assets. Step 2. Select the XDC you want to transfer. Look for the Send or Withdraw option, which is usually found by clicking on the asset. You'll need to enter the recipient's address, so head over to Binance next. On Binance, go to your wallet section and select Deposit for XDC. Copy the deposit address provided. Remember, XDC typically uses the XDC network, so ensure you're selecting the correct network to match. Step 3. Back in Coinbase, paste the Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of XDC you want to send, but be mindful of any network fees. These can vary, so check them before proceeding. Once you're ready, review the details carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to permanent loss. Step 4. Hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction should process within a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Head back to Binance and refresh your wallet to see the XDC arrive. A quick tip. Always use the exact network specified for XDC to avoid failed transfers. Also, start with a small amount if you're new to this. And remember, crypto prices can fluctuate, so time your transfers wisely. There you have it. You've successfully transferred XDC from Coinbase to Binance. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.